Hello, my name is Daniel, and if you came to this video is because you want to know more about Profollica. So pay close attention to what I have to tell you. In this video I will tell you the whole truth about Profollica. Does Profollica work? Does Profollica really work? Is Profollica worth it? Stay until the end of this video because I have a very important warning for you not to lose your money. When I researched about Profollica, I found many lies on the internet, exaggerated promises about magic formula and miraculous results. So I decided to record this video to clear all these doubts and definitely tell you if Profollica is worth it. Most men and women lose their hair due to a genetic sensitivity to a substance called dihydrotestosterone, or just DHT. Brittle hair is one of the first signs of DHT ravaging your hair follicles. Next, the hair begins to thin and eventually begins to fall out completely. The Profollica system is formulated to help reduce and reverse hair loss. It does this by blocking DHT. Profollica is a hair growth serum that has the function of treating the hair scalp and keeping it healthy, strengthening the hair follicles, promoting hair growth and regeneration. It is indicated for those who suffer from baldness and hair loss because its 100% natural formula stimulates the microcirculation of the hair scalp, stimulating hair growth. The first and most important warning I have about Profollica is for you to be careful with the site from which you will buy Profollica, because Profollica is only sold on the official site. To help you, I left the official site link in the description of this video. So is it worth investing your money in Profollica? The Profollica system contains a powerful, clinically proven formula to combat hair loss and aims to deliver a burst of new hair growth for men and women. And my answer is yes, you can trust Profollica because Profollica really works. Folliprime has scientifically proven results and is also FDA approved. It is a US-made product with powerful natural ingredients. There are many people having great results with Profollica, and you can too. However, you need to take the treatment seriously or else you won't get good results and will be a little frustrated. Profollica works best when used for at least 60 days. This is because DHT levels take at least 30 days to stabilize and another 30 days before noticeable hair growth. That is why Profollica is guaranteed for 60 days. You can test Profollica, and if within this period you don't like it for any reason, just contact the manufacturer and they will refund your money. So I recorded this video first to tell you to be careful with the website from which you will buy Profollica, and also to say that you can trust this product because Profollica really works. If you still have any questions about Profollica, leave them in the comments of this video and I will be happy to help you. I hope that Profollica may help you recover your wires and many other benefits that this product promotes.